I just want to live my life. It's already 1 minute. Shout out, guys. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you very much for supporting Progressive Gen TV always. So, she get the for 10,000 subscriber. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa mga sumusuporta kay Progressive Gen TV at nakuha niya po ang kanyang 14,000 subscriber. Ayan. Ayan, nagtanggal ng ano sa camera. Ayan, salamat po sa mga dadalaw. Pwede po nating ilapag yung ating channel dyan. At pwede po tayong maki-join sa aking live. Ayan, join po tayo. Huwag po natin kalimutang mag-like sa aking live. Salamat, salamat guys. Ayan, pwede po tayong mag-like, mag-ano. Hindi ko na maayos yung camera ko. Please like my live SSCTV. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like my live. Ayan. Thank you guys for supporting Progressive TV and also please share also my live. Okay? Thank you Anita Home Kitchen. Thank you for the like. We have a 4 viewers here. Hello sister. How are you? How are you? Namaste, namaste. I'm fine. How about you, Anita Home Kitchen? Hello, how are you? Also, hi. Thank you for supporting me. I get already the 14,000 subscriber. So to those who want join me, oh, why you are crying? What is your problem? Why you are crying? Freddy goes sir no English. I'm Hindi. Ah, okay. So you don't know how to English, right? Freddy, Jangoti, shout out. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to like my live, guys. Like. It's okay, it's okay. Maybe you understand my English, Ma'am Anita Home Kitchen. Meh? Oh, don't cry, okay? And also, I don't know how to speak Indian, but I know how to speak English. So please understand me if I'm speaking English, okay? So don't crying, Mom Anita Home Kitchen. How about you, Freddy Dangote? Hello, shout out. Thank you so much. Are you done to like my live? Freddy Dangote?